Question and answer. Question: I am in the process to file EB2 NIW application. What supporting evidence will best show that I will significantly contribute to the national interest? Do I have to have reference letters or many publications and citations for NIW application? The reference letters or recommendation letters are very important for EB2 National Interest Waiver application. The independent reference letters from those who have never worked or collaborated with you will carry much more weight with the uscis than reference letters from dependent recommenders. The reference letters should discuss the alien applicant's research contributions and their significance, and should comment directly on the benefit of alien applicant to U.S. The reference letters are also a great opportunity to demonstrate the implementation of the alien applicant's work. A reference letter from someone who has utilized the alien applicant's work, and can explain how they have done so, is a great way to strengthen an EB2 NIW petition. Unlike EB1 Extraordinary Ability Petition, or EB1A, the standards of EB2 National Interest Waiver Petition are more flexible. There is no requirement of minimum number of publications and citations. While frequent citations can certainly bolster a researcher's claim to have influenced the field, the lack of frequent citation is not a bar to eligibility where other objective evidence of the petitioner's influence exists. Also, merely being cited substantially does not by itself establish the applicant's eligibility for EB2 National Interest Waiver. Original and significant contribution to the field is an essential consideration for the uscis to decide on an EB2 National Interest Waiver application, and establishing the petitioner's contribution relies heavily on strong reference letters. Therefore, the reference letters and the content of these letters are critical to establish your original and substantial contribution in the field. The EB2 NIW applicant must show how they will serve U.S. national interests to a substantially greater degree than could a U.S. worker with the same qualifications. Some of the best supporting evidence for a national interest waiver application includes: 1. Letters of recommendation. These are a crucial part of an NIW petition, and should come from experts in the applicant's field. 2. Publications and citation records. A complete publication record demonstrates the applicant's past scientific achievements, government funding or grants. Funding from reputable institutions or government agencies can show the national importance of the applicant's work. 3. Awards. Awards that are nationally or internationally recognized and specifically given to the applicant can strengthen the petition. 4. Evidence of influence. This can include citations, letters of recommendation, patents, contracts, and article downloads. 5. Evidence of contributions. This can include a track record of success on a specific project, and a description of the applicant's role in the project. 6. Agreements with potential customers or users. These can show progress towards achieving the proposed endeavor. 7. Letters of intent from clients or partners. These can show that the project has already generated interest. 8. Evidence of licensure. Licenses, registrations, and certifications can demonstrate special qualifications and expertise. Thank you for watching the video. We offer high-quality complete do-it-yourself packages for U.S. green card application and working visa application, and we provide many samples of reference letters, and samples of petition cover letters for U.S. immigration and green card application, and we also let you know the U.S. green card application process and how to get your green card quickly. If you want to apply for a U.S. green card, our website greencardapply.com and complete do-it-yourself packages can help you get green card quickly, even without an U.S. employer sponsorship, and bypass the labor certification process. I hope the audience will give us a thumbs up, provide comments, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, to let the knowledge of U.S. green card application spread to more immigrants, and let YouTube's algorithm recommends our videos to more viewers. For further and detailed information of U.S. green card application, please visit our website greencardapply.com. Thank you.